It's VJ from Canada, and I will continue my fight to free Silly Bob. Here I am at the Len Amsterdam House for the Criminally Insane. Silly Bob, can you hear me? Silly Bob, can you hear me? He must be sedated. Now, there is so much evil in this world. Silly Bob had been communicating with the outside world via his Twitter feed. But Silly Bob has been banned for being too clever. Silly Bob, can you hear me? I guess he must be sedated. Now, some suspect the alternative right for shutting down the Silly Bob Twitter feed. Others suspect the alternative left. VJ suspects of both. Silly Bob, can you hear me? Silly Bob, can you hear me? He must be sedated.